Hello, this is Tom for Stafford Audi. Today I'll be taking around this approved used Audi A5 Coupe Black Edition 35 TDI S Tronic. This particular model comes in the stunning Tango red metallic paintwork, and with the gloss black styling from the Black Edition, it looks super sporty and stylish. Under the bonnet of this magnificent vehicle is a 2-litre turbocharged diesel engine producing 160 brake horsepower with 370 Nm of torque. On the front are these fabulous matrix LED headlights with LED daytime running lights giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners, these 20-inch 5-spoke polygon design alloy wheels finished in anthracite black with a diamond cut finish, offering a lovely contrast to that red metallic paintwork and tying in really nicely with the Black Edition styling package. The boot lid can be opened from the key or the button under the Audi rings on the boot lid itself to reveal plenty of storage space for your everyday essentials, weekend away luggage or weekly family shop, and the rear seats can be folded down for a little bit of extra storage. To access the back, there is a lever on both front seats and pull them forwards to reveal the back seats. The interior is finished in part leather, part Alcantara for maximum luxury and comfort, with centre armrest that pulls down with dual cup holders, as well as tri-zone climate control so the rear passengers can set their own temperature. Both seats are fitted with Isofix points so you safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front are the fat bottom S-line multifunction steering wheel, Audi virtual cockpit, central touchscreen display and dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sport seats with the S badge embossing at the top and are manually adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit is configurable using the left side of the multifunction steering wheel. On the right is your volume and voice controls for mid-journey phone calls, and underneath to the left is your cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, DAB and FM radio stations, or simply navigation. Underneath the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle. And with this vehicle having the comfort and sound, you get 360-degree camera systems so that you can check every single angle of the car. With the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, which is perfect for those colder winter mornings. Thank you for watching this video on the approved used Audi A5 Coupe Black Edition in Tango Red, which is available now at Stafford Audi. If you have any questions or queries, do not hesitate to contact our sales team or simply come down to the showroom and take a look for yourself.